Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. So today my topic is I'm going to recommend you 5 books which will help you in conversational English. Like they will help you to improve your communication skills. Now communication skills is also English speaking skills, right? If you start reading books which will help you with communication tips or how to communicate with people or how to have a conversation with people in English, it will definitely help you to improve your speaking skills. So basically these books are helpful to improve your English speaking skills. So that is why I've made a list of 5 books which will help you to improve your speaking skills, right? Later in the video, I'll also tell you why it is recommended to read such books. Okay, now let's start with the list. On number 1 is How to Talk to Anyone. It's written by Lee Lowndes. Now why it is helpful? It has short chapters with easy, simple tips for small talk, confidence and daily conversations. Now I have always told you that small talks are very important. I have given you lots of topics which you can use to start small talk with people, right? So this is the art of communication. You can start with small talk, simple questions, 2-minute conversations like how are you? How was your weekend? Now what is your hobby? Would you like to have tea or coffee with me? Or what is your favorite snack? What is your favorite drink? Anything you can talk about. So these are small talks. So this book also focuses on short conversations and small talks, and it is very easy and simple as well. Next one is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. This is also a very interesting book. I have recommended this book before as well. Now why it is helpful, I am going to tell you. It is a clear step-by-step guide to speaking English. So it has clear step-by-step guide to speaking confidently in public and private settings. So there are situations that it talks about in public how you can have conversations, private how you can have conversations. It has different settings and it will explain how conversations can grow, what conversations you can have in private and public settings. Next is Communication Skills for Beginners by Shirley Cole. So why it is recommended is, it is written in simple English. It focuses on listening skills, speaking and body language basics. So it focuses on listening skills, speaking skills and body language basics also. So you will learn what should be your body language while speaking, while having a conversation. It focuses on listening practice also and speaking practice also. So it is a complete package. So if you start reading this book, it will help you to improve on your body language, on your communication skills, of course, or English speaking skills and listening skills and speaking skills as well. Okay. And that is why I recommend you this book. Next is Improve Your Communication Skills by Alan Barker. Now this book has straightforward advice and exercises. They have exercises also to practice at home or work. So you can practice it at home also. Right? It has exercises also. So when you learn something, it teaches you a lot of things, and it has exercises also which will help you to practice what you have understood, or whether you have understood or not, or how far you have been on your English speaking skills. So you'll get to work on exercises also along with understanding and improving. Right? Which is very much required while speaking in English. You should start doing or working on some exercises or puzzles or quizzes to know whether we are on track or not. Now next one is my favorite, Small Talk, How to Talk to People by Diane Weston. So this is my favorite book. I've always spoken to you about small talks, and this is my favorite topic. I do want people to start with small talks because this will help you to improve your confidence and fluency while speaking to people in English. There are many topics, they're very simple topics which you can take up and you can just talk to people around you. When you're passing by, you met your neighbor, any stranger you can talk to, you can ask for any bakery or any address in English. You can go to get your appointments in English, you can speak to the doctor in English, you can speak to people at the mall in English or the restaurant, you can order your food or anything else. You can just simply ask, how is life? How are things? What did you do last weekend? What is your hobby? What do you like eating? Etc. Lots of small talk topics which you can talk about, and it will really boost up your confidence while speaking in English, because these are very small topics and the conversation doesn't go beyond 2 minutes or 5 minutes, right? So that is why it gives you a lot of confidence and boosts your English speaking skills also. So that is why I'm recommending this book. It focuses on everyday conversations, making it perfect for social confidence. Again, I said small talks help you with social confidence. You will go out and start speaking to people. And the best part is these small talks, you can practice at home also these questions, how to answer these questions if somebody has asked you the same, or how to start a topic, how to start a conversation. On what topic? So choose your own topic and start the conversation so that you feel confident and fluent in speaking in English. And you'll surely see a lot of difference when you start taking up small talk topics and you start going and out to speak with people on these. So these books are very important, guys. It's very helpful. Try reading these books. Try to find them online also. It is free of cost. If you get online, try reading these books. Or any other similar book if you get, start reading those books and start understanding, start practicing some exercises on these topics so that it helps you to build proper sentences, to start speaking proper English, and to start communicating or speaking to people or having a conversation with people anywhere, anytime on any topic in English with fluency, clarity and confidence. Right? So why these books are recommended? Because these books have a lot of tips and tricks and a lot of advices. They will tell you how to start speaking, what you should speak, how you should end your conversation. They give a lot of tips and tricks also. They have a lot of advices also, which will help you definitely to start speaking in English. And then of course there are lots of small talk topics and small topics which you can take up. You can start practicing at home and then you can go out and start speaking in English, which I also try to do in my sessions as well. So you can start taking up these topics, these books, and start reading and see if it works for you. Right? I always said, try looking at these books online. If you find it, start reading it and see if it makes any difference for you or not. It will definitely improve your speaking skills. It will definitely improve your listening and understanding of the language. And definitely you will get to know a lot of vocabularies and small talk topics and conversational English. Okay. So guys, if you like my video, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.